The new USB-C port and bigger batteries that are likely to be included in the Apple iPhone 15 series might result in quicker charging and extended battery life for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. The adoption of new battery technology, which will increase the battery capacity of iPhone 15 models, will be one of the main changes in the iPhone 15 series. The iPhone 15 series will reportedly include Sider's improved stacked batter manufacture technology, which is comparable to that used in electric cars. This will aid in improving battery life. According to reports, the battery increase for the iPhone 15-based model will be the largest, at 18%. It will now have a capacity of 3,877 mAh. The iPhone 15 Plus battery capacity increased by 14% to 4,912 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Pro's battery capacity increased by 14% to 3,650 mAh. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's battery capacity increased by 12%, and it currently has a capacity of 4,852 mAh. If the battery size increase rumor is true, we may anticipate at least a corresponding improvement in the battery life of the phones. A more effective Apple A17 CPU and a newer OLED display generation would likely supplement the simple battery size increased improvements. This is a significant increase in battery life, but we also need to take into account the device's size and weight. It is evident that the device will get thicker, which, in my view, might result in a little weight increase due to stack up. The battery tech, yes, reputable experts now believe that all phones in Apple's 2023 range will come with a contemporary USB-C port with power delivery capabilities rather than the dated Lightning port. This is the second significant change that will be made to the technology. Additionally, this new USB-C will boost data transfer speeds up to 40 GB per second, which I consider to be a significant improvement as it takes forever to transfer files using the Lightning port or via AirDrop. With the introduction of the USB-C port on the iPhone 15 series, Apple will have all the necessary foundations in place for faster charging. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max's 20-watt charging speed will be officially increased by Apple to a higher 27-watt or 29-watt charging peak. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.